Hi everybody, I'm Lady Rib, Lady Red's Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at the camera and the processing power of the Nokia 3.1 Plus from Cricket Wireless. And I am shooting all the selfies with the Nokia 3.1. So this is the front cam. Stay here, take a look at the video, leave a like if you enjoy the content, drop a comment if you have any questions. I try to answer them all, and subscribe to my channel, get all the notifications when you ring my bell. Okay, so we're going to take a closer look at the camera on the Nokia 3.1 Plus. Right now, this is being recorded on the front cam with the Nokia 3.1 Plus. And it looks like automatic filters might be pretty well standard on this. So let me know what you think. But this segment right here is shot with the Nokia. And I'm going to Bluetooth it over to my Xpure. Tell me what you think. We're fixing to look at the rest of the camera features. So we're going to take a quick look at the camera and the camera features on the Nokia 3.1. And I'm using my Motorola Xpure to shoot this. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. You're going to have a whole lot of an assortment of features compared to other devices in the same price range. You got your regular picture here, live bokeh. Now I want to show you what that'll do. Okay, so this is what bokeh mode will do. This is really hard to do, like this. Let's see if I can get it framed in for you. Because as you can see, it's been anchored. All right. And
started 5 minutes ago. It's already on break.
With live bokeh, I'm going to include some pictures. So you can see, I took a couple of pictures with the bokeh. You're going to be able to adjust. And the bokeh is, where it kind of blurs everything. So you're going to be able to adjust that with this little meter over here. And with that, you'll be able to, kind of select. It's hard to do like this, but you'll be able to select where you want your focus and how you want to blur everything else. So there's that. Of course, it's going to do panoramics. We don't have enough room in here, and as you can see, it is anchored. And then we have square photos, something that I've not seen on another budget device. You're going to be able to do square photos. So that's kind of cool. Then you got photo and video. Now, when you put it on photo, you're going to get all this here. There's your flash, of course, your timer. Let's see what this is. Look, beauty mode on or off. So that's nice. And motion on and motion off. I don't know what this does. Let's take a look. Let's turn it on. I guess this would capture if you're moving, maybe it smooths it out. It says motion on, yeah. Oh, it's a live picture. That is so cool. That's exactly what that is. Awesome. Something not seen on a budget device until now. And of course we do time-lapsed, which I find awesome. If you are taking a picture and you want to speed up, that's when you would want to use your time lapse. You can do all kinds of stuff with time lapse. Now with your front camera, you can do time lapse with it. You can do video with it. Photo. You can do a bokeh. Let's try that. Let's put it on bokeh. You can't set your meter, but let's see what it looks like. It's just a little light around.
You got that vacuum in the car?
So let's do some quick video with it. Camera looks really good. And what I'm going to do is shoot a quick video and let you see for yourself. Okay, so we're shooting Omar playing with our brand new XS Max, which will be the next upcoming video to the channel. A quick look at the XS Max because somebody unboxed it before I could get to it. We will find out because we will be doing a review on that XS Max. So there's Omar. Wave to everybody, Omar. We're going to change the focus. There's Omar. Okay, now let's take a look around and be nice and steady. Let's see. Let's find somewhere to zoom. Let's see if we can read that sign. Wow, that zooms quickly. So it's a pinch zoom. Pinch to zoom. You can read part of it. You know, you can take a snapshot. So it's a pinch to zoom. So far, so good. The camera looks really good. The clarity looks good on this end. What do y'all think? How does it pick up that green? The blue. The red over there. You can see just a little bit of red. What do y'all think about it? Let me know. Drop a comment. Okay, so this is just me and a friend goofing off with the front cam, using the different filters, and you can see we adjusted the filters, and that's from lower to highest with the beauty filter and different angles using the bokeh. That one is using the bokeh. And now this one is the front with live bokeh, and you can see you kind of need to be closer to get the full effect of it, and that's just a little bit zoomed in. So the bokeh does need to be up close like this. This is the bokeh feature up close, and you can see how it's blurred. Okay, so that's live bokeh up close. Now we're going to take a look at other cameras to see how they compare. The Stylo 4, come on. The A6, that looks really good. And that is a 16 megapixel camera. It looks fantastic. I'm not going to lie. My Supra looks good, but not as good as the A6. Now, how does the Nokia 3.1 Plus look? Fantastic. Not as good as the A6, but better than the others. What you are about to see here, got my Supra and the Nokia. I have, within a minute, the same amount of video on both. What I'm going to do is produce and save each video. I'm using Power Director, and I've got DU Recorder. So this one isn't going to be multitasking. I've got DU Recorder going on this one to record this and upload it separately. But right now what we're going to do is record upload speed.
Even though I know the directions and everything, I still use it.
We're doing save project on both of them.
His drive mode, never seen that. And it's got a button.
Now, I'm going to produce.
Walk in, navigate wherever.
Produce. And then save. And there they go. And we'll see. Wow. The Nokia is moving right along. And there it is. Alright, you can still see the screen's timing out a little bit. But you can still see, let's do this. Alright. And you can see something's going on in the background here. What this is. You can see it's multitasking, so it's doing pretty good. I gotta get rid of this. I don't know what it is that keeps trying to download. Sometimes stuff gets stuck in the download manager. It does this on every device I've ever used. That's funny. It keeps running on the Supra. When you come out of the app and go back in, it will keep running on the Supra. Let's see. Let's get out of that for a minute. And then restart it. And see. Yeah, it just keeps running. So let's close it out and open something else. Just to be fair, let's open Studio. Yeah, it just keeps running. So this one's multitasking really well. This one is doing some multitasking. Well, the Nokia did catch up pretty good. I don't like that it closed it out. I don't like that. Because a lot of times I'll set something to upload and someone will text me or something and it'll keep running. As you saw with my Supra, I went and opened another app and everything and it kept running in the background. This one did not. Alright, it looks like alright. Supra's done. They're both done. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. You can play them. Because all I've done is save them. We're going to upload later onto my channel. But there you go. And we're going to close them. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.